I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them?
People are going, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah man, big up on yourself. People, I tell them already, you know. This album thing is getting very crazy. So you know the people say Shaggy never made the Billboard. Remember, you know, yo, Shaggy do an album run the people. Remember the time when Shaggy wear the blouse? Yeah, man. The man go up on different morning platforms. The man do. I go play a clip, I couldn't see what go on. The man do a big album run, VP records, everything. See? We're not there for bash Shaggy, you know. But just to show you the reality, people. So you see, fan base is very important. So imagine Alkaline never do the full week for him album, you know. And the youth sell close to 1,000. See? And he make the top 10. Shaggy sell what? 800. And him never make the Billboard. People, you see when I see this, I say, yo, the album thing I get serious. Because me see the different, like, route a Shaggy take for promote the album. And for see the album no make Billboard. And for sure you say, yo, already matter about Alkaline album, this and that, you know. We have 2 artists album next to drop, you know. You understand? Cartel and Massacre. You see it? Because remember, you know, Alkaline was the first test run of the new policy with Billboard where there's no YouTube streams and Billboard anymore. You understand? So Shaggy did not make the Billboard. You see the numbers? For sure, you people. 800 for the album run there. You know the game gets serious now. Me I tell people, I want to see what I go on the album run with the youth where Shaggy put on.
What you back? This side.
So you see him stand up. I think the album name Lachi, Shaggy Lachi or whatever. People, the man do a good album run, you know. Me I talk about talk show, the same talk show them with them, you know, them that beat him about the top, the shirt when we are blows or whatsoever. See? But this to say, people, the Billboard thing is not an easy thing anymore. And this show me, say YouTube did a play a large role in our numbers. YouTube was playing a large role into our streams. Because if Shaggy put on that run here, the album run, people on a normal album run, man spend. I tell you, him spend a couple thousands. Well, you understand? And for say, yo, the man now met the Billboard. I say, yo, John, dog. All of that money there. You see me? The album, well, him have Grammy. So let's see him have Grammy for you know, he maybe get nominated for Grammy, who knows? You understand? But for sure, you people. And for see Alkaline sell more than this. See? And it made the Billboard top 10. Remember, you know, Alkaline do no major promotion, you know, like what Shaggy do, you know. See? Not saying we are bash Shaggy do, because it's a great album. But me I try to show you how the reality stay. You understand? That's why I tell people how they say, yo, big up the Vendetta fans them. Because if Alkaline never did the full week, you understand? Friday get missed out, Saturday get missed out, Sunday get missed out. Him drop the album Monday and him still sell a good amount and him still hit the top 10. And Shaggy get the full week. And the album run ya and still never sold the amount based upon the album run and all of them little thing there. It really gets serious. But look at now people. Me see some of the Gaza people in my fret already. Me tell you already, you know. If you not dig hole, dig too. If you live in a glass house, don't trust me. See all of them who attack down on Alkaline album and this and that and way. Me not say nothing. Only reality will speak for itself. You know, me the first go to work already. You understand? But look what go on. So what him do? This look like Brooklyn, in New York there or something like so. He might do album signing. You understand? Album signing he might do. You see me?
Thank you very much. Shaggy, I need your picture. Okay, I'm coming. Shaggy, come quick. Go.
So look at now people. So we're gonna read what go on. So Shaggy latest album Lottery release via VP Records. You don't know VP Records, you know, record label push it out. See it? Record label. Did not make a chart entry after selling 800 album equivalent unit during the first week of release, people. I know one normal album rollout Shaggy do. Me I tell you that. It's what I try to say. So that for sure you say, yo, you might celebrate something, you know, brother, but yo, things are get crazy out there. So all along, it was the YouTube views. Did I save all them stream and some numbers? So it all boiled down to the fan base now, you know, people. Because look at now, the fan base have to go stream and buy now. YouTube, it's easy. Nobody now pay for nothing on YouTube. Them just go watch YouTube and stream and read no YouTube views. Because the reason why YouTube take them thing off of the billboard, they must say billboard now treat them equally. You understand with the rest of the stuff them. You see it? So that's one of the reasons why YouTube say, yo, it don't make no sense then, because you not treat me like you treat Spotify and some other platforms. You see me? But I understand, because you don't know YouTube. Most people stream YouTube free and, you see me? Spotify and them things. And one of the worst thing to people, YouTube, people buy a lot of bots from India and a lot of views. You understand? That's one of the things as well. You see it? So, I just say go. So, them say, alright, of that amount, 75,000 in streams and 300 copy in the US sales. Seeing globally, the album has surpassed 10 million streams on Spotify, driven by the track Boom Body with Idonia and Akon, which has surpassed 6 million streams, and Looking Lovely with Robin whatsoever. You see me? So basically 800 himself first week and he never made the billboard. You understand? But it's still not strapped for the overall stream still, but me I try to show people reality. Say, brother, the album thing is not like first time. A YouTube did a save way. You understand? So we made them a laugh of Alkaline album, you know. No can go on. Cause it's Shaggy is so much album run Shaggy do. Much morning shows the man go up and all a bag of thing and in the streets I promote it and us do album signing. Look at it now. I tell you already, you know. Yeah, but it all boil down to the fans. So we are gonna see what go on for the rest of the album them. You see me? So look at now, a girl forward out, you know. But you know, let me tell you with the vendetta girl them now. Alkaline are them man. Seeing? Are them man, you know, but only thing they can't control him. So look at now. But you see when Alkaline I got take picture with no girl, the vendetta girl them not like that. You understand? Too much girl. Can you see the picture when Alkaline I take a bag of picture them with the girls them doing a Guyana and thing. And no five girls them they don't like that. They don't want a girl to take picture with them man. You understand? So she go tell you what go on.
I say me I go to my For You page and see my man. Everybody might take picture with them. Girl, and you need to stop. Tone it down. Tone it right down. You need to stop what you do. Tone it right down. Yeah, tone it down. When I ask for a picture, tell them say no feel well. Tell them say not be so good today, so you don't really want to take a picture.
Yo, nah, you can't play the vendetta girls and like that. You go to tell them, say, yo, you don't feel good today. Yo, big up the vendetta girl, them. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't do a thing set a media fox.
Or if you take a picture of me, then turn upside there like a soldier. Salute. Yeah. You're too much. You're too much. I feel jealous right now. You need to stop. You need to tone it down. I mean, I make sure to hug it like this. You need to tone it down. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Your boss, I'm going to tell you what I want to know. So I'm going to talk about Guyana performance.
Man, Alkaline performance, our Guyana, don't quote me on that, you know, but it was a superb performance. Yeah, man, up to standard.
Perfect. What kind of perv? Get out of here.
Nah, lie. I like when you come on the stage, in stage present. I like when you keep the people them engaged in whatsoever I do. You know, the people them are relate to him music. You know, yeah, it was a joy, man, to see.
Brother, but I know first people that might react to Alkaline music. Yo, I'm going to tell the people. Alkaline is a very impactful youth. Everything the youth do is like people have to talk about it. Like, it no matter, I could have 100 artists cover this song. It now get the impactful way with Alkaline when Alkaline go there. I tell them man take over whole of Guyana. Whole of Guyana. I tell the people, it no normal. Me see all the people must say, yo, them now go forget that day, yeah. The day holiday. You understand? Now go forget the day when Alkaline. Yo. Right now, girl good. I anthem down Guyana right now. I tell you. Every radio speaker, everything down there, girl good. I tell you. You see me?
Young lad, man, I do him thing again, me I say. And that for sure, me say, boy, dancehall, they grow. They might not sell the numbers per iTunes and, you know, getting Grammys, but if we have people go on the stage show and spend their life cash, if you come out, if you come see them, that's our accomplishment. Again, me I say, because enough John and I really get that right now. Especially.
Yo, man, not lie. Man, not lie. Alkaline, like, I don't know. I feel like Alkaline could have been the president or the government of Guyana. May I tell you that? Me not think the government over there could have them people in Iran. May I tell you that? Yo, the people them soak. They no business. Alkaline, them a weird pan in Iran people. Them no yo, not even a ants move. May I tell you people, not even a ants. Yo, the people them not cut. Some of them not even umbrella. Them no business. If once the people them say, yo, a alka, vendetta, a vendetta. The youth are powerful. And remember me tell you this. Them not see nothing yet. Me I tell you people. You understand? Barbados are wait. Trinidad are wait. Is our next impactful more. Yo. We're not gonna see what going on, man. Remember me tell you that people.
The state of the economy or the world in you know. And forget people to come out and support the dancehall artists like that. That means the dancehall a win. The genre win. You know, each of their own, every man a eat. You get me I say? And no man in no man lane, no man not stop, no man food. It's a great drive. It's a great drive to see that. You get me I say? So me like the performance of Alkaline though, man. Yeah, man. The young lad are doing thing, man. You see it. Me I hear about a thing with him and CJ Miller still. The big promoter, you know. We have dancehall on our shoulder, on our back. You know, me say they fall out. Which me...
Yo, where people get that information from? Where people get that information to CJ Miller and Alkaline fall out? In people? Where them get that information? Yo, I must some Alkaline hater say them something there. How do you know the people them fall out? Through a show postpone? Another first a show ever postpone? Which fall out? Yo, me I tell you say social media crazy people. Them run with some narrative there.
But me not see she come out and confront that yet, so me can't really make no allegation on that. But based on what me see still, it's like something going behind the door, you know, but them not really explain yet. Time will tell still, but based on my assumption right now, dancehall a win. And that way.
Man say behind the doors. Brother, the amount of show we postpone, where people put out. Nobody no found out and say nothing about after that. Them put out a statement, that's it. Them no come out and tell why the show postponed. I don't know when since. Yo, that's what I'm telling you, yo, Alkaline thing. I feel like Alkaline is very relevant to dancehall. I tell the people. It's very relevant. You see it? I never know say when show say them postpone, nobody forward out and talk why show postpone. I never know after that. You understand? But once Alkaline a dancehall, it'll go keep it flowing. I tell you that. Cause the more people talk, more people eat. Them have something to say. Them can get them views and all of them little thing there. You see me?
Because Afrobeat when it dominate the music chart, and right now a dancehall at the thing right now. You know, thanks to Vibes Cartel, thanks to Alkaline, all of the youth them we put in them input in a dancehall. Big up yourself, Massacre. Sometimes we beat the same way, but you don't know a music dog. You get me? I say very competitive and nothing personal. You know what I say? As long as we not tell the youth them about them mother and them thing, them cross certain line, everything good. You see it? We like the competition, we like the competition.
Yeah, man. The man them just not like hear the truth, you know, dog. The man them getting them feelings and start this year and all of them little thing there. You see me? Cause you don't know what facts to deal with. You man, not deal fiction. You see me? So, a bag of speculation, everybody have something to say. You see me? It's so funny that's everything Alkaline do. It make the airway, you know? The youth is very impactful. You see it? Guyana people, them, at BS song, me see them put up, say, oh, this was a night to remember. Them now go figure out the night there. I tell you. It's like, yo, Alkaline just get more powerful every day. More haters them hate, and more him do something for shut them up. It's all them silent now. Alkaline go shell long Guyana. Them did that talk about postpone show. Really. Them not try run with a narrative, but it no work. Man say, alright. Next sold out show, Guyana. Kick with that, raise the bar. Body silent. You see me? Shaggy album forward out here now. I see man them a fret, cause man them a say, Bombat. Yo, Shaggy do that album run there. And the man not even beat Alkaline, dog. Yo, that me, guys, man them a say no people. Man them a say, yo, dog, how I go on? Yo, this no look good, you know, dog. I fret them, I fret now. You don't know if you fret, man. Don't fret. Yeah, man, don't fret, man. Go on, celebrate. You understand? Yeah, man. So go and do nothing. I open and support the artists, make the artists look good. You know, can't they beat people by them album and not do better than them, you know. You understand? And the crooks them too. You understand? Can be a mouth to not have the lulu.
Competitiveness in a dancehall, that are the core part of the genre. You have to be competitive, you see me? But on a serious note, we're not really straight from the argument. Alkaline, yeah man, you win, young lad, you go and do your thing. And it's so funny because back in the days, people usually complain and say you can't perform. You know, you're a studio artist, and now guess what, you shot the world right, you know.
But brother, them time when the man attack, Alkaline just start perform, brother. Man start perform, I win. Around 19, man, the young brother, I'm not get the experience by stage yet. So, but I just threw them the 18. Enough artists start out that way, they couldn't perform good. You understand? But through them the 18, them beat him with that saying, can't really. But I said, go brother, more experience and more you learn.
Yeah, go on do your thing, you see it. Yeah, man, I like the present, man, I like the stage performance, man, you see it. Yeah, man, we'll go out and support the youth, them, man. You get me? I'm saying that those talk is cheap. Support them on them streaming and them thing them and go out and support them in the dance scene where you buy a ticket and go on the stage show and go watch them. You get me? I say? Yeah man. Cause so you think going on that we want dancehall for win. You don't want them for win too. Yeah man, we want all artists win, man. Yeah man. Big up yourself, young.
Brother, and everybody want dancehall, you know. Some of them want them artists album for win. Yeah man.
Big up yourself, young lad, you know, Alkaline, yeah man. Love how you do your thing, you see it. But that don't mean so we don't come and beat it, you know what I say? But yeah man, we love the movement.
Yo, the man a craft man, the man say, yo, that you mean say we have to come forward and beat it. People, big up with yourself, you know. You see Shaggy album run, security and bag of thing, album signing and a bag of thing. Cha, but big up Shaggy still, you do it. You see me? You do it big for your culture out there. You see me from way back in ideas, you see it, but you don't know. You don't know the things that big up on yourself, you know, people. Yeah, man, you just want one media fax pan up, you know. Yeah, man, that is it.